Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating a high-converting freelancing profile on major platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the essential elements that will help you stand out from the crowd and attract high-paying clients. First, let's talk about your profile headline. This is often the very first thing a potential client sees when searching. It's your first impression, so make it catchy, relevant, and professional to grab their attention instantly. Make sure to include your main technical skills and a clear statement of what unique value you offer to your clients. Next, we move to bio optimization. Your bio is more than just a list of jobs. It should tell your professional story. Focus on highlighting your relevant experience, key skills, and specifically what makes you the unique choice for their project. Maintain a tone that is friendly and approachable, yet strictly professional to build immediate trust with readers. Now let's focus on your individual gig or project descriptions. These need to be clear and extremely concise. Outline exactly what you offer, focusing on the specific benefits to the client rather than just listing technical features. Always include a strong call to action at the end, telling the client exactly what the next step should be to work with you. Don't forget to use bullet points for easy reading. Clients often skim, so make the most important parts pop. Portfolio creation is absolutely crucial in the freelancing world. It's the tangible proof of your expertise. Showcase your absolute best work. Select projects that show the breadth and depth of your professional capabilities. Remember, quality over quantity is key here. A few outstanding pieces are better than dozens of mediocre ones. Next, let's discuss your pricing strategy. This is a delicate balance between being competitive and valuing your time. Do your homework. Research what other top-rated freelancers in your specific niche are charging for similar services. Start competitively to build your initial reputation, but be careful not to significantly undervalue your hard work. Adjust your prices upward as you gain more experience, collect positive reviews, and establish your personal brand. Keywords are vital for your visibility in platform search results. Think like a client when choosing them. Use relevant keywords naturally in your profile and gig descriptions to significantly improve your search ranking. Now let's talk about profile images. Your visual brand starts with your face or your company's professional logo. Use a high-quality professional photo or a clean, well-designed logo that represents your professional brand clearly. A friendly, open image can go a long way in helping build initial trust with potential clients who don't know you yet. Lastly, let's focus on some critical client trust-building tips that will keep people coming back to you. Respond promptly to all messages. Speed of communication is often a top priority for clients in a hurry. Maintain a professional demeanor in all interactions, even when things get stressful or projects become complex. Proactively ask for feedback after completing projects. This shows you care about quality and helps build your social proof. Building strong, long-term relationships with clients can lead to consistent repeat business and valuable referrals. By following these structured steps, you'll create a compelling freelancing profile that truly attracts high-quality clients. Thank you for watching this guide, and we wish you the very best of luck on your exciting freelancing journey.